Don Lemon just auditioned for a spot on The View. He will replace one of the ladies. But who? There are two sides to every story, but there's only one backstory. Don Lemon sat in an office with The View's executive producer, Tracy Sterling. His smile radiated with confidence with a morsel of arrogance. His eye contact with the producer was intense. I think I would be a great fit for the show. My views are controversial, I'm an impeccable dresser, and one of my best friends works here. Your best friend? Yes, Sunny Hostin. She can definitely vouch for me. Being on an all-woman show is quite challenging, Don, just so you know. Don sat up, baffled by her insinuation. Understandably so, but I've worked at CNN for 17 years. As a single host, yes, it's quite different when estrogen rules with an iron fist. I did mention that I worked for CNN for 17 years, correct? Yes, you did. Twice. A few moments later, Don snuck himself into Sunny Hostin's dressing room. Her arms opened wide, greeting him with an endearing hug. Hey, best friend. How was your meeting with Tracy? I think it went well. Asked for nothing under $3 million a year, private car service, and daily dinner stipends. Thanks. You mean the world to me, Sonny. Moments later, all of the View hosts congregated in a room, conversing about the prospects of Don Lemon joining the show. I think Don would be perfect to join us. But would he be a distraction? I vote no. What do you think, Whoopi? I say give him the gig. That's my vote. I'm all for a little testosterone. I vote yes. I say no. I mean, who cares? So Whoopi and I vote yes, and Alyssa and Joy vote no. Sonny, you get the final vote. Sonny stood, a gleeful grin carried her to the center of the room. The former prosecutor meditated on her thoughts before her deliberation. Don could spice things up. But do we want to share the spotlight with a man? It's The View. It's about perspectives. Yes, but Don is quite controversial, and his history of misogynistic behavior is a befuddled Sarah watched Sonny intently. I thought Don was your best friend. Well, you have the deciding vote, Sonny. The soft chatter in the room subsided, all eyes focused on Sonny. Sonny felt like an extinct animal that the others had discovered. They viciously gnawed at her carcass with their eyes, forcing a decision from her lips. I vote no. Meanwhile, Don finished up his meeting with Tracy. I forgot to mention, in order to bring you in under our new budget, we will have to lose one of the ladies. Who would you recommend? Don never gave himself time to ponder her question. With ease and conviction, he said it. I say you fire Sonny.
I consider him a friend, and he treats me as a friend and a sounding board.